Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
A comfortable spot and tranquil surroundings are all that's needed for relaxing in the garden. Here, a sun lounger blends naturally into the greenery. Cocoon chairs create the feeling of a separate space, even in an outdoor garden. They look especially cozy among the greenery. Even a narrow garden can be conveniently arranged for relaxation. Two benches on the sides leave a clear path down the center. The base of this swing is a simple wooden spool. It has been transformed into a sturdy rocking horse for a children's corner. A sturdy wooden frame and two hanging chairs are sufficient for this area. The structure takes up very little space. A wooden wheel became the base for a large pendant lamp. The lanterns beautifully highlight its antique shape. A garden bench doesn't always need a complex structure. Solid wood looks natural and is well suited to the garden. A spare space near a fence can be transformed into a comfortable nook. A bench with an arch takes up almost no usable space. An old bed can become the basis for useful garden furniture. The key here is the metal headboard, which sets the bench's entire character. A woodshed can be more than just a storage space. A pair of armchairs transforms it into a tranquil garden nook. An old cable reel has found a whole new purpose. Soft cushions transform it into a comfortable garden chair. A corner bench provides plenty of seating without taking up much of the center of the space. A small fireplace can be conveniently placed in front of it.
We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.